Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn how to add header and footer in Canva design. So let's start. I'm going to start with a custom design here. 600 pixel width and height will be 700 pixels. And create new design. Okay. Now in this design, I will add the header and footer. So to add them, I will go to elements and search here the header. Okay, now you can see here graphics, photos, frame. I'm going to add graphics here. So I'm going to add this one. Now I'll drag it and make it larger to fit the width. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now I will drag it at the top. Perfect. And if you want to add some text here, go to text and add some subheadings here. Okay, suppose this is our header section. Okay, now I will drag it at the top. Okay, now I can change the color here. Okay, make it smaller or larger, or change the font family here. There are so many options that you can choose from here. Okay, now if you want the same design in the footer section, we will make a copy of it and paste it and drag it to the to the footer section. Okay, now I will flip it. So okay, I think it looks perfect. So if you want to change the color of this footer section, you can change the color. You can customize every section, every color of there, every section and every color here. And if you want to add some text in the footer section as well, you can add there. Okay. Okay. We can change the color here. So that's all the video how we can add a header and footer in our Canva design. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Thanks for watching.